Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your Photoshop templates with Adobe Creative Cloud step by step. Open Adobe Creative Cloud on your computer. Log in to your Adobe account if prompted. In the Creative Cloud interface, locate the Assets tab on the left sidebar. Click on Files under the Assets section. Navigate to the folder where your Photoshop templates are stored. Select the templates you wish to backup by clicking on them. To select multiple templates, hold down the Control or Command key while clicking. After selecting your templates, look for the Upload button at the top right corner. Click on the Upload button to start the backup process. Wait for the upload to complete. You'll see a progress bar indicating the status. Once the upload is finished, confirm that your templates are now in the Adobe Creative Cloud. You can access your backed up templates from any device by logging into your Adobe account. To organize your templates, you can create a new folder within Creative Cloud. Click on the New Folder button and name it appropriately. Drag and drop your uploaded templates into the newly created folder for better organization. To ensure that your backups are up to date, repeat this process regularly. Check for any new templates or updates to existing ones, and back them up as needed. You can also enable synchronization for automatic backups of your files. In the Creative Cloud settings, find the synchronization options and turn them on. Now your Photoshop templates will automatically back up to Adobe Creative Cloud every time you save changes. Using Adobe Creative Cloud ensures that your templates are safe and accessible wherever you are. Remember to check your Creative Cloud storage limit to avoid any interruptions during upload. Regularly review your backed up templates to keep your workspace organized and efficient. That concludes the step-by-step process for backing up your Photoshop templates with Adobe Creative Cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.